Alright, so I'm right here in my daughter's school. I came to pick them up. But while I wait for them to come out, I'm going to go ahead and make this video. This is how the box look like. 2 donuts. Wait a minute. Is that a bite? Oh no, never mind. But anyways, that's how it looks like. So I'm going to get probably some honey mustard. I'm going to go ahead and open it. It smells so good. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to get one of the donuts, put a chicken tender in there, get some of the honey mustard. Okay, let's see. Put some of the honey mustard right there. Ooh. I'm waiting. Oh, this smells so good. I'm going to go ahead and grab the other donut, put it on top, and voila. This is my first bite. Wow! 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 That is finger licking good. Ooh, wow. I think that has to be one of the best combos ever. Sweet and saltiness from the chicken. They're crunchy. Oh yeah. I'm definitely getting more of these. Wow. Man. Gotta drink some Mountain Dew. Wow, huh, Gabby? Wow, that is so good, huh? Let me get a potato wedge. Let me put a potato wedge in there before I finish it. There's no more? There's no more potato wedges. Gabby and my wife ate them. Wow. What about some barbecue? Let me try adding barbecue. The honey mustard definitely goes good on this. But now let me try adding barbecue and see how that goes. Get the donut. Put it. This is crazy. Who invents these things? Barbecue goes good too. You want to take a bite, Gabby? Gabby, you want to take a bite? No? No, you already ate your potato wedges, huh? Definitely the donut goes with the chicken. So you will see in the plate 2 donuts, 4 chicken strips. You can get a breast, a thigh. I chose the tenders. Man, it's just so good. I can still taste the flavor in my mouth. The sweetness of the donut. And then when I bite, the kernel was right. Really looking good. Last of it. That is so good. Oh. Oh man. I still got 2 strips left. I'm gonna take my wife's donut. Woo! You can see the donut is kind of like, I don't know what it is, syrup. I don't know if it's maple syrup or something, or it's that glaze stuff that they put. But I'm gonna go ahead and put the last 2 chicken strips on top of this donut. Put some barbecue. A donut taco. Wow. You gotta try this. You definitely gotta try this. Wow. It's hard to say. I don't know if this is better than the Cheeto burger that KFC came out with, or if this is better. It's just, there's something about this too sweet and kind of salty combination that it goes good together. The chicken is nice and tender, but the outside part is all crispy, which I like it. I like that little crunchiness, not too crunchy. I really don't like, excuse me. You can tell that's good. This is why we're fat. Because of food like this. Wow. It's getting hot in here. Put the window a little bit. Whoa. It's a good combo. Not that bad. It's like $7 or $8 for this. I think it's a little cheaper if you just get the one with the 1 donut. But I got the one with 2 donuts. Donut is really sweet. I'll tell you that. You gotta use the chicken tenders or whatever you get, most of it, to bring that sugarness down. If you want a really good flavor. I got soda because I don't mind drinking soda or eating sweet. But you might want to get something that is not too sweet if you think it's too sweet. But for me, it's perfect. Perfect. Woo-wee. Man. Last bite. Look at that. Empty. miss you. It's all gone. That's it. Took me like what, 10 minutes, 15 minutes to eat all this. Less than that. Ooh. Yeah, it's that glaze. I really don't know. Got some on my shirt. Not good. Well, that's it for this episode, guys. Thank you for watching. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you want to continue watching crazy videos of me eating fat stuff or whatever. I eat a lot of random stuff. I combine a lot of weird stuff. That's just how I am. I like to just combine delicious food with other delicious food. If you think this video was okay, go ahead and give it a like. Finish this. Yeah, go ahead and try it. I mean, it's nothing bad if you try it once, and if you don't like it, you don't like it. But I liked it. I loved it. It's kind of like between the Cheeto burger and this. Like, I think I will still go for the Cheeto burger a little bit more, but it was good. I tried it. I think I'll probably get it again, but that's it. Ooh, more chicken. Oh, I think a little bit more extra chicken will help get all that sweetness out of your mouth. Because after I was done, I had a lot of sweet. But this is going to help. When you're hungry and you don't feel like cooking, KFC is really good. Go get the family bucket. Thank you guys for watching. As I'm going to continue eating, go ahead and watch one of my other videos. And thanks for all the support you guys gave me. I just like to post stuff that I eat. I love to eat. I can't stop eating. And man, who doesn't love food? You only live once, right? You gotta eat good. Peace.